Inovio coronavirus vaccine results fall short. American biotechnology company Inovio Pharmaceuticals reported positive interim results from its phase 1 clinical trial of INO 4800, its coronavirus vaccine candidate. The company received financial support from the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, or CEPI, to conduct its phase 1 trial, which involved 40 healthy adults. The subjects, aged 18 to 50 years, were recruited into U.S. sites and were given 2 doses of the vaccine at either 1 mg or 2 mg 4 weeks apart. The Data Safety Monitoring Board analyzed the study and found that the vaccine was generally safe and participants from both cohorts seemed to tolerate INO 4800 through week 8. Inovio said that it recorded 10 adverse events throughout the study, but all 10 of them were measured at grade 1 severity and there were no serious adverse events. According to Clinical Trials Arena, the researchers are conducting immunology assays for both vaccine cohorts following 2 doses at week 6. These immunology assays include tests for humoral and cellular immune responses. Preliminary data for those types of tests show that 94% of all subjects exhibited overall immunological response rates. Inovio also announced that the vaccine was capable of protecting mice and preventing viral replication in their lungs in SARS-CoV-2 viral challenge studies. Inovio's vaccine will now be part of the U.S. government's Operation Warp Speed program's non-human primate challenge study. Dr. Joseph Kim, Inovio president and CEO, said they are encouraged by the results and pleased about the vaccine's effect on the lungs of mice, and the company will now expand their phase 1 trial to cover older participants in more cohorts. Kim said their vaccine is the only nucleic acid-based vaccine that is stable at room temperature for more than a year and does not require to be frozen in transport or for years of storage. They plan on launching their phase 2 to 3 efficacy trials later in the year. Pharmaceutical news site PM Live, however, reported that the company's positive results may have fallen short of investors' expectations. While Inovio said their vaccine stimulated an immunological response in 94% of patients, they failed to define the type of response the patients had. The company also failed to mention how many volunteers produced neutralizing antibodies to the coronavirus, leading to the company's stock closing down 15% on June 30.